We're listening to Wiggly. I'm going to figure this out, though, guys. So I modified the texture. Okay. It now has something in it. So the first one was blank. I just copied the pound sign over. So we're gonna get this from the beginning.
Is cave not any kind of cabin?
All right, here we go.
Hey now, I like Dark Prismarine. I wish it was easier to collect from these towers. Right, back to home and sleep.
Let's go to
I
Bing.
just realised my CPAP machine might be broken. Probably that's the reason I wake up at 3 a.m. at the moment. That might be why. That might explain a thing or two about a thing or two. Spinach! Happy commit fire attack. And you think that leaks?
You
That can't be
in.
good, right? Withered rib. Serpent stuff. A thing.
Okay, so it is just a simple typecast. Float. So all I have to do is this. Okay, let's make it a float. It lets me do that until... Alright, it's finished.
Dude. Wow.
What is happening? Okay, so we're going to start with the float. Wait, put that back.
That little punk just rocked my world.
Here, let's do a quick trivia.
You live in there. Your food, see your food. That could be food. Those things all belong there. That's not food. That's food over there. Trivia. Which American chef wrote Kitchen Confidential? Tell you about the wood puzzle thing? It's really nice, fiddly at times, but it was a fun build. Oh yeah! It was good, was it? You liked it? That's good to hear. If you fill the CPAP too much, it will leak, and the pipe is too cold, you can have what they call rain out, where it condenses on inside of tube. Sounds awful. Like the new trivia graphic. That should happen for every point game, Jeff. I haven't been
Nice.
keeping an eye on it. But yeah, my screen's not all washed out.
Okay, so if we want to send in, like, to draw the first... Let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. We're going to draw just the first character. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where did we go? Oh, right here. So let's go with 0. We're going to put 0 in there. Okay. So when it gets into here, okay. So we're going to figure out what these are. These are going to be the same for every single character. And then we just need to figure out these for each going across and down and all that. We're good.
Even filled half the way. Where did the animation go? Hold up, I need to test the emotes on the chat on Origin.
Oh, wait a minute. It's not 0. I'm an idiot.
Is it
So let's say it's 32, which would be the space. Okay. Which will make it 0. Oh.
That works. This might not work in the overlay.
Okay, so that'll make it 0.
That might not work.
And then what we want to do is
configure crossbar, and when I press it,
we're going to go like this. First thing we're going to figure out, texture sampler there, okay. Relative ASCII. So the only thing we know so far is that it's going to be 0 and 0. So let's just go from 0, 0. And we'll sample what it should be. Because each one of the characters going across is 32 divided by 288. Or 288 divided by 32. Each one of them should be 9.
Big Al, your trivia is in the queue.
0.0312.
Hi, thanks, Potter. How you doing?
So this should be...
Built the Tower of London wood puzzle to do. Broke a piece in the first step. Went back to building Lego.
And this should be closer to 0.3, so let's go to 5. Now let's just draw the first one. The only input we're taking
So
is
did you
this
finish,
right here.
if you're still listening?
We're not doing anything with it because it's 0, 0.
Infinity Factory yet?
But we'll get to that in a
Thank
second.
you. Yeah, nobody's answered the last question yet.
I said I tried Bobby Flay.
The last question was, which American chef wrote Kitchen Confidential? And we had one guess which was incorrect.
Yep. All
I
right.
will give clues.
Okay, so we're not getting
Is it
anything.
Giada De Laurentiis, Wolfgang Puck, Julia Child, or Anthony Bourdain?
Giada.
They provided spare parts.
Okay,
Bourdain.
so with
Jake
this,
Lane is correct. It was
so with this,
Anthony
we're not
Bourdain.
getting anything.
Right, next one is. This is Big Al's question. A caravan is a group of which animal? Caravan is a group of which animal? Camels. Camels is called beefalo. You got a humidifier that the O2 flows through so my sinuses don't dry out, crack and bleed. Camels. Why, bro? Are you streaming again? I haven't seen you streaming anymore.
So how come this doesn't show anything? Let's go a little bit more.
Dromedaries. Excuse me, I believe they're
Let's just go like that.
dromedaries. Oh, look at that block. What is that?
Okay, now we're at least seeing something,
Dark
see?
prismarine.
And it's from the other side that we're going to be able to read it. Fine, whatever. Okay, it looks like we are down... I see the @ sign there.
Still ill, we'll be back. It's the attitude. That's the fibro I know. Fibro, eyebrow, I know bro. You should make an alternative account fibro where you have a monobrow and instead of fibro we'll call it fibrow. Or change the spelling of your name to fibrow. Some model blocks, yeah, I agree. Some model blocks would be awesome in the base game. I'm gonna change these top ones now too. Fibrow.
Let's just go like this. Take that out for the second. Let's get the whole texture out there.
Uniwolf. Fibrow. I like it.
Oh, now we're not
10%
seeing it.
commission of everything you make, Fibrow.
What? Where did it go?
Having Fibrow.
Oh. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I did. There's an extra parentheses. Parenthesis. Parenthesis. Alright, that's... Well, that's what happens when you get your parentheses wrong, kids. Alright, there we go. So there's the whole texture. Okay.
I think that there are some... These don't work. There are some modded... there are some mods that should be part of.
Now, what is it? If it's 32 of them, 288.
And you know, like...
0.1?
Like Mojang always takes their time and it's, you know, it takes time to get
No.
these new features added in, and then they'll release a new version of Minecraft.
0.03125. Okay, so let's go. Initially, we'll go vec2 0.303125.
And then new versions of other packs.
Was that the number?
Other mods all been fired out within days. Mojang goes, oh no, we need time. We need time. Right click harvest should be vanilla. Agree? Yes.
So we're starting over by 1. We should be missing the first character then.
That is a hard 100% yes on my side of things.
Let's see.
Indeed it should, yes.
It looks like we are. That's perfect.
Yes.
and then it wraps on the other side. Okay, so we see that. That's cool. All right.
It's such a simple thing. This all looks weird.
So can we go like
OJT.
this now? Can we go like
Sure.
this? Relative
Sure they
ASCII
are.
equals that.
Okay, so this one we're just gonna go bricks.
And then all the way over 32, right?
Please.
So we're going to find out.
Played modded so long that I forgot that it was a mod feature. Yeah, it's one of those ones that that you sort of forget until you like play the base game or something like that, and you realize that it isn't a thing, and then you'd be like, oh, but why? It can't do anything tough. Looks so nice. Yeah, this is a really, really nice world generation. This pack's got really nice world gen. Bridgestone? Nah. I don't want to do too much with granite because we're using those for the pathways. Yeah, Dark Prismarine is a really nice block. That's why I butchered the Waystone tower that we had before, so that we could get some of it out. Moss? Moss can't do anything interesting with moss.
It's not defined for floating point number, so you need to use a built-in mod function instead. Oh. Oh.
Just use Dark Prismarine. I've only got a limited number
Perfect.
of Dark Prismarines. It's the only issue.
Perfect. That's what we need. So it's going to equal the relative ASCII 32 times 9 divided by 288. Let's
Okay,
leave that
so
like
the
that,
bricks.
even though
So
it doesn't matter.
out with bricks.
So now we're going to go here.
So we'll take all of those.
We're going to go like that. So the character we're trying to draw is 32. Okay. Let's just draw 32 and see what happens.
Yes, I agree with that too. It makes the people who do like big mega builds using Dark Prismarine.
Okay, the same thing.
Dedication to their build that much more impressive.
Let's work on the thing for a second. On the width of the actual thing. Or let's go up one more. Just check it one more with 33. Actually, let's go 2.
Okay, now, is it just me?
Because it wraps on the other side. So what we should see then is on the other side.
Well, does that plain Dark Prismarine look better, like a better match than the dotted?
We don't. So what's going on?
People talk about how their mouth waters when they see delicious food. The only time my mouth seems to water is when I crave something crunchy.
Relative ASCII. So this one should have been 2, right? Fchar minus.
Right, so this is going to be.
So that would be 2.
So let's
And then mod 2 with 32 would give you the 2 times that. So it didn't do this? Or what happened?
Bro, what?
See if you go times 2. 0.0625. Alright, 0.625. So let's put that in here instead of this. So we're just hard coding it in. Where is it? It's over here. Okay, now it works. So it's actually this function right here is not working. Let's ask AI why. Okay. Still got ads going? All right. Six, what is it? 2.5. I'm troubleshooting, computer. I'm troubleshooting. Wait, what?
Vibe function. How's it going today? Laughing face.
Wait, how come it says this right here? Mod relative ASCII, comma 32 times that will always result in a value between 0 and 9 divided by 288, which is approximately 0.03125. If your texture coordinates need a larger object. Why is it always going to be between that and that? Because what if relative ASCII is 34? Isn't it 2 times that? Hey, Fifth, just a second. So, six two five. So how come you told me that it was never going to be greater than... Okay, so that was weird.
So, like, if I found more copper, I could make them into blocks and eventually...
Fifth, where are you at? Oh,
change to that?
I'm watching Wiggly, so...
Just had an idea, though.
How's it going today? Oh, good. Going well. Except for this. I'm trying to get this texture sampler to work here. So this should work. Fchar, right?
Copper's
So
great in a build. It also,
let's go 35. I don't know.
it's quite good on a,
I was gonna stream today, but got busy with
it's quite good on a
calls
roof.
and doc.
I haven't streamed for like 10
especially
days,
if you
bro.
let it
I
really
forced
expose
myself
so that
today.
the roof will
Only because I did my shopping and laundry and all that
changes.
stuff yesterday.
Yes, people having trouble connecting to the new place.
That's not right.
Okay, so now... No, that's because I've still got it hard-coded.
Vibe function.
I don't know
I
if
have not done a
it's
real
the color
stream
is
in
too
like
much or
half
if
a year,
it's
80s, and this one
block
hello.
color.
Wow.
Going from that to
Fchar
white
minus
is too much.
32, relative ASCII
Just playing
32.
things.
Yeah, that's
Vibe function. I want
That's
to
alright,
do
never mind.
all at once. LOL.
idea. Shoot it down.
Texture sampler. So let's put
Right,
column
okay,
in there.
Anyway, we needed to do a couple of things, right? So let's get on to this. We needed to get to the nether. So let's get ready
And then
to
I
go
think
nether
here,
shopping.
let's go like this.
For that, we need to find-
0.03125,
Sorry, we were trying to find lava.
comma.
LTP for lava. Still wish it had more use as an ore, but it's so easy to gather, might as well put it to use. I agree, yes. Yeah, if there's any way that you got anything that can
Okay, so I think we have the width pretty well figured out. That's cool.
enable true. There we go.
So then why
That is
couldn't
back.
this just be...
Anything that you can put into the game that gives more uses to copper, I think, is worth the effort. Because, yeah, like you say, copper is a little bit sort of
Oh, it's over here. It's way over here.
overutilized. Yeah, create's good for copper. This pack you can make armor out of copper, so at least like it has like an actual use. Ah, you're all good, Aradale. No worries.
What is that? Oh, that's the...
Hey, buddy.
Oh, that's the bottom one. Son of a bean dip. So if I go like...
Couple of interesting things coming to
Wait.
copper in 121.
5 function. Well, just gonna learn. I got some things to do.
Alrighty. Good to see you, man. Sorry, I just want to figure this out before I go to bed,
Look at what we have here.
theoretically.
Take this.
So it starts
Use the old
there,
Wrigley technique.
5
and then
function.
that times...
The Y is split for me as well with the way I did my GPU code. For the side, I thought you already went to bed.
Yeah, I slept up until... I slept quite a
Oh,
lot
you know
today,
what?
so I really...
Getting it ready
I don't need that
for
much sleep to go to work tomorrow.
5 function.
Which actually the copper
0,
ramp
comma,
will,
0
so that's
is
neat.
top right on
Like
most
imagine
screen stuff,
the
but bottom
ability
right
to
on the GPU.
use copper to transfer
So why is it
where it says,
reversed?
right? Like if it
Oh, hold up.
copper itself becomes
Oh my
copper,
gosh.
so it signals through longer
I
distances.
think we gotta go... Where is it?
Copper
Text
locks
render,
it,
text in...
as long
Where's
as it
it?
doesn't
In...
oxidize.
Flip vertically on load. Let's not do that. Let's not flip vertically on load.
That could be cool.
I forgot.
Hasn't done that
I
properly.
forgot. I forgot. Alright, let's see if that fixes it here. There we go. Now we get the pound. Okay. And it's the right size and everything. Okay. So now let's just... I think...
Something
Let's...
that makes it more
Ah,
responsive, you know?
so let's go up... What do we have?
Shield
32.
match 3.
Let's go to 81. Let's draw that.
Anyway, find a tower.
Wait, we
and
don't-
let it slow
Wait,
forward,
hold up.
and then
Alright,
let it slow
Jeff,
forward,
why
and
did you
use the
hit
feather as well.
compile? Alright, thank you. We're done. Alright.
Slot
So,
spot.
so now we need to figure out the other one, this row, which is right here.
Can I hold it in my off hand? Or does it have to be in my main? Right, so here's-
But in
here's
this
how
case, we're
set
just going to
this.
use
Let's
relative
go back.
ASCII divided by 32.
Okay, we're just gonna
Can we
fold.
floor that one?
Is this a good idea?
What are you doing? What is Wiggly doing there? Times 0.3333.
Yes, I'm gonna jump with it in my off
And
hand
that's it.
first.
Support emoji.
Ba
It's in
ba
my off
ba
hand.
da
Right, so
da
jump-
da
if
da
it
da
doesn't work,
da.
I'm gonna switch to my on hand.
Wait, why? Oh, because I
So
didn't
the
put it in the
necklace is in
thing.
the
Son
bottom
of a
slot.
bean dip, Jeff.
It's in my off hand. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I should.
Float relative ASCII divided by 32. Floor. Right. Okay.
While
I
we're up
think.
here,
I think. I think that's it. I think that's
having
it.
both redstone and copper, they're the beginnings of having energy storage.
Where is it?
transferred.
Where is it? I don't
Yes.
see it. It's gone. We've destroyed. Or wait, it was. I think it was there. Hold on. Go back.
And I know that there are. Is that lava? Oh, it's in Spruce City now.
Where is it?
Um,
I'm so lost. Nope. Definitely not
I know
seeing
that
it.
there are mods that use copper as a wire, but is there anything that just uses like
So
a copper
row.
to like amplify? Oh, here we go. Here we go, chat.
So if it's
There.
32.
Never had a doubt. Never had a doubt.
What?
Except for the entirety. It's so cool.
Will it support emoji?
It wasn't lava,
I took it
was
out.
just some-
This was the whole thing that it was. But I took it out.
Yeah, I use a good example.
I
Yeah.
just took from here
Versus
to there,
the copper wires
which is
themselves,
only 32 to
versus
128.
into copper wires.
But it could if I wanted it to. What's he doing? What are you doing, Wiggly?
Kinda creepy. He's up to 5 streams in a row. That's kinda creepy. I think it's continuing to watch. Yeah.
All right. I'm just tired. Let me just go ahead and copy and paste it directly in and ask Bing.
Big Al's on 5 streams too, even though he's been in here for more. Hey there, little man.
Did we get the row in there? Okay, good.
Candy's on a 20 stream streak. Need separate connectors. I like the idea, the potential of using copper as a connector.
Oh, that's cool.
could be very cool if it's handled correctly.
So the
But it
thing
wants
with
3D machine frame instead of enderpearl. Oh, that makes that a lot easier. I didn't
that one
know.
doesn't work though. I don't see
Steel?
anything.
Is that a thing?
So what if I
There
put,
was a recipe that used dark steel earlier, right?
what if I just hard code that? Where are we going here? This way.
Alright, and we're still looking for some
Okay, so we get the
lava.
at sign, or is that a G?
We don't need that much lava.
I think that's the, where is that?
Copper modlets, copper blocks, carry redstone signals. Is that like an already existing mod?
I work at McDonald's.
Is it written by...
I work at McDonald's. In the drive-thru. Nope, I don't do anything related to computers except for enter orders. I do dishes, I take orders, I mop and sweep the floors, I break down boxes, fill up sauces, fill orders, make coffees, drinks, all kind of stuff.
The fruit came first.
I know.
The fruit came first.
I know. Okay, so that's that. And so that worked, actually. But for some reason we're not getting this.
Well, I actually happen to know.
Oh, that's my strong point. That happens to be my strong point.
Really, really nice.
That's the reason they have me on the drive-thrus, because I'm really, really good with customers. Like, really good. Like, it's
we were saying
insane.
the other day, you could basically
Relative ASCII divide
do a
by
random
32.
teleport to any place on the map,
Oh,
and,
should this be a
come up
float?
with,
Is
like,
that...
a really pretty place to
Hold
start
on.
build at,
Or wait, is it casting a float to the... It's we don't need this. It's a float already. We just need the floor of that. There we go. And it's a float. Was that the problem? No. No, that's not. Wait, we didn't put it in here.
Maybe not finding a nice base yet.
Da da
It's
da
about to start
da
building
da da
from,
da. Where's
you know, we
the
started a new
edge?
world,
Where's the
around
edge?
for, like, hours.
Yeah, as soon as I put the variable in, oh man. So it cannot calculate this variable. This is just crazy.
Yeah, so it's
This
nice to
is
have
nuts.
something,
So if it's 32, less than 32, right,
this is
should be 0.
like basically a full
0 times,
portal, sorry, not tower.
if it's greater than 32 and less than 64, yeah, it's an animated Voronoi noise. Or not noise, but just Voronoi. Yeah. I think there's a noise thing in the function. It's a like a little random thing. It's a random hash.
Clear out some space around this because we're just going to go to the nether. We need to get refined storage underway.
Sorry, Wiggly, cutting you off. I use it to add cracks to... Oh, cool. You got any latest videos, dude? I'm always looking. Hold on. Where's the raticide? This is my game dev. This is my game dev account. I only put game dev stuff on here. Wait, where's your channel? Where's your channel? I thought I'm maybe I just don't know the name of your channel. Actually, let's go here. Oh, thank you. Hold on. Okay, I'm clicking on all kind of weird stuff here. That's gonna go to Edge, which I don't want it to. Oh, Ratty. There we go. That's the name of it. That's probably the problem. Where's Chrome? Oh, I'm not subscribed on my game deck. Oh, okay. 3 days ago, Hungry Chompers. Ads? Oh my god, are you getting money from ads, bro? Oh, and then the
East side.
ad's already over.
Ads.
Ba-da, ba-da.
West
Oh,
side.
cool. Look at that.
Don't get any money. I don't monetize.
I'm not able to monetize yet either. And it's been 6 years. I like this. How do you do such small voxels?
And look at them in province.
Very cool. Ba-da, ba-da-da-da. Okay. So relative ASCII divided by 32. I think I have that render doc thing on here. Because that's what I need to see.
I use a big load of RAM. For the side. Your thing is very strict on swearing.
Oh no, are you kidding? That's funny. That's funny. What are you doing? Okay, what was I looking for? Oh, render doc. See how easily I just clean up terrain. Clean up, is it in here? Render doc, do I have render doc? I thought I had render doc on here. Hmm. Oh, it's a .org. Okay. Download. I do have it? What? Oh, it's an MSI file. Oh, it's right here. Okay, well then you don't need to download it. Computer. It's already done. Okay. Alrighty then. So how does this work? Let's change the way the features are installed. Repair, remove. Oh, is it already installed? Is it already installed? Render doc. I have no idea. I think I looked at it once. Do I need to run it as an administrator? File, window, tools, program, executable path. Executable path. Oh. Texture viewer. Yeah, see, there's so many options.
Select executable path.
No, it's not going to work because the executable
Then click launch.
the executable is in here and it needs dependencies that are not going to find it when it runs at that. I can guarantee you that, bro. Guarantee you that. So I have to go like this. And I have to copy all the dependencies just to run it.
Send the directory to them.
No, it won't. Visual Studio is really messed up with the way that it does it. The working directory is right here, but none of the paths are relative, so I have to literally... Actually, what I could do, if you can do that, hold the phone here. I think I can put it here. Did it go in here? See, and this is such a huge directory. Date modified? What's today's date? I just copied it in, and now it's gone. I love Windows so much. I want DOS back. So it's gone. Alright, hold on. I can OpenGL.exe for crying out loud.
I haven't used Windows for years.
Good for you. I can't take that plunge, bro. I can't take that plunge. I'm 50 years old. You know the learning curve? The last time I changed OS was from DOS to Windows, and I was much younger, and my brain was agile. Since I turned older and COVID messed with my brain in some weird way, I don't even know that I had COVID, but where did it go? Is it an exe? Like, there aren't that many exes in here. Doesn't even show it's in there. Yeah, I don't want to copy all the dependencies, and I don't want to do the set it up in a separate directory and blah blah blah. I don't want to do that. Oh, why is it right there? That's the stupidest. Okay, we're fine now. So now it'll work. Now I can just go here, go into here, go like that, right? Now what do I do? Launch. Whoa. Oh. Oh, looks like it's working. Hey now, you're an all-star. Okay, so how do I actually do print screen to capture? What does that mean? That's fine, whatever.
Press F12 to capture a frame.
To capture a frame? Oh, so let's run it. And let's go in. So do I have to have it on screen? Because it's just a texture in memory. Okay, so right here is where it should appear. F12, capture a frame. Or print screen? Print screen? Oh, print screen. Captured frame. Oh, okay, cool. So what?
You can close it after capturing. It doesn't debug live.
So how do I look at what the fragment shader was supposed to write to the quad?
For the side, double click one.
Double click one. Loading capture? What's it doing? Loading capture? It's also very bright. Loading that takes this long? That's crazy. Oh, what did it do? Usage for back buffer color reads.
It's a lot slower on yours. Smiley face.
Yeah, my computer's complete crap. Walmart special. Huh. Weird. Tells me nothing. Okay. Texture viewer. Pipeline state. Mesh viewer. Launch application. OpenGL. Huh. I have no idea how to use this to help me.
For the side, pipeline state, and click on FS to jump to fragment shader.
Oh. Thank you. Oh, Raticide. Okay. It says your name really weird. Fragment shader texture sampler. View. Oh. Disassembly? Source location spear V requires location for example. Oh. This is so bright, dude. Do you know how much this is hurting my eyes? This is so bright. Specifically I need to look right now at this and why that is not calculating.
It has ease in settings.
It does? Visual theme. Oh my god, why does it default to light? Who does that? Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Who defaults it to light? Wow. Thank you. You're an all-star. You're a rock star. Okay, so, yeah, how do I get it to tell me what the current state of that variable was? Fchar. No. Reg 0? Interesting. Reg 1. So how do we know? Find? Huh. Find event by string, time durations.
Select texture viewer, then click the draw command in the left event browser.
In the left event browser.
On the side, you can select the pixel and debug it.
Oh, Well, it's not rendering to the quad, so that's the whole problem. So I can't actually look at the pixel. It should be in here somewhere, and it should be really small. So you can't even do variable tracing? Can you do variable tracing like through the fragment shader and stuff? Set breakpoints. Set breakpoints. It just highlights it.
Oh, you need to debug the texture first. Because the variables are different for each pixel.
Yeah. Huh, interesting. Click on the debug button next to it. Okay, stop typing. Stop typing. With the draw call selected, go to the shader stage. Click on debug button next to it. Shader stage. Debug button? Where's the debug button? Debug? Debug, no? I don't see the debug. Huh.
It's a texture viewer.
It says go to the shader thing. The debug button?
GPT is wrong.
Oh, okay.
Right-click a pixel.
Well, dude, I would love to do something new, but I gotta go to bed. This is something new. Do you know how long it would take for me to get into something like this? Pipeline state. Oh. Show MTI and export extensions. No. View, edit, save. This one. What's this? Oh, Vertex? Vertex shader? Oh. Texture sampler. No. Oh. Yeah, this would be cool if it would like step through. That's literally all I want to do because I sent the number 81 to this. But it's all good. Wait, debug where? I was just in there. There's no debug button. There's no debug button. That's what I was looking for the whole time. Debug. There is no debug. Hey now, you're a rock star.
Side. I told you, it's in the texture viewer.
In the texture viewer? Huh. Alright, let's go out here and make sure it's not showing anything. Yeah. See, it's not showing anything. It should be right below 0, 0, which is right there. So that's what we'll hit print screen. Oh, it didn't say captured. Oh, it's completely frozen. Oh, it did capture a frame. Okay, good. So we're back and it's loading that now. Let's close this down. And give it as much memory as possible. Shut down the ASCII table. So, in the texture viewer?
Decide. Right-click a pixel.
Right-click a pixel? Oh, debug? Well, that's for the pixel content. Yeah. See? Debug. History. Oh, would you look at that? That's cool.
Then click debug in the bottom right.
Yeah, right down there.
For decide, you might be on the wrong pipeline stage.
Doesn't have a debug down here for the variables. Yeah. Right click to debug an event or hide failed events. Yeah, anyways, I didn't think there was something that I missed. But yeah, thanks for popping in here. We're very, very close. I mean, I'm a lot closer, and obviously it'll take one of these days after I get out of work, or if I wake up early enough in the morning, I'll pop it on and see if I can figure it out. But I gotta go to bed. I gotta do some stuff and get ready for the work day. And I should have been in bed an hour ago, but I already got a bunch of sleep and everything, and it's all just it's crazy. So, anyways, you have a good night. Everybody have a good night watching on YouTube. Thank you. Anybody that knows anything about this, go ahead and comment in YouTube on the video and see if there's something that I'm missing. If it's either in the calculation or the GLSL things or whatever it is, because this should work, but it doesn't. See the row plus that. Yeah. Whereas if I just hard code it and we go 0, then it does show. Well, yeah, because I'm basically just stepping through it. See right here. One way I could actually do it, hold on. Like, what if I put in 3.3? I could do that too, but I want there to be numbers. See, this is the second row, right? That's the second row. So I can actually just go like this. I could just go, we can go like that. We can go if relative ASCII is less than 32, because it's going to be, first one's 32, which is 0. So if relative ASCII is less than 32, because it's going to go from 0 to 31. If it's less than 32, then we want to go float row equals 0. So then we just want to go if it's greater than 31 and relative ASCII is less than 64, then we want to go row equals 1. Actually, row, we're just going to set it to 0.3333. And then we're going to go another one up. Hold on. Copy it, right? Do this. I know. I feel frustrated working on stuff like this when I have to go to work, and I really don't like that I have to go to work, but I have no choice because I'm making good money. Absolute minimum wage, but you know how much money that is? That's a lot of money. Everybody else is broke on minimum wage, but I own my house. I own my car. I just have to pay off this other little debt thing that I've got. Okay, so row is now set that way, so we can put it in here. And now we should be able to do now it should draw 80. It should be the queue. It should draw the queue. Yeah, see, and even that, it's not quite right. What the heck? Is it because it's flipped upside down? Is it still flipped upside down? I thought I did the thing. Where the who the what? So is this actually right? What is it? What is it telling me? What's going on? Hey there, you're an all. See, Q is one or whatever. But instead we're getting like this for 81. 81, bruh. 81 should be the Q. Okay, let's subtract one from it. Just subtract 2. Let's go to 79. Yeah, and I owe about $9,000 approximately, plus my income taxes for the past 3-4 years that I haven't been able to figure out. So I've subtracted 2, and I get the same thing. Yeah, I'm going to have to manually go over manually doing it and figure out the pattern and then just put it in there. It's just a grind. That's all it is. I'll get it next time. Don't save that computer. Just get rid of it. Don't save. Close it down. Close it down. Thank you. Shut down my brain. Brain, execute shutdown procedure. Okay. We're getting off here. Night.